Hydrangea Macrophylla is a popular garden plant. This beautiful shrub is admired for its large, showy flowers. It comes in a variety of colors and shapes, adding interest to any garden. Hydrangea Macrophylla is a deciduous shrub, meaning it loses its leaves in the fall. It typically blooms from early summer to late summer. The flowers of Hydrangea Macrophylla are actually modified leaves called sepals. The sepals are arranged in clusters called corymbs or panicles. The color of the sepals can vary depending on the variety and the pH of the soil. Acidic soil tends to produce blue flowers, while alkaline soil produces pink flowers. The size and shape of the flower heads also vary. Some varieties have large, round flower heads, while others have smaller, more delicate flowers. The leaves of Hydrangea Macrophylla are large, oval-shaped, and have serrated edges. The leaves are typically dark green, but can turn yellow or bronze in the fall. There are two main types of Hydrangea Macrophylla: mophead and lacecap. Mophead hydrangeas have large, round flower heads that resemble a mop. These blooms are often dense and full, creating a lush, vibrant display in gardens. Lacecap hydrangeas have flatter flower heads with a ring of larger, showier sepals around the edge. The center of the flower head is made up of tiny, fertile flowers, giving it a delicate and intricate appearance. Some popular varieties of mophead hydrangeas include Nico Blue, Endless Summer, and Limelight. Each of these varieties brings its own unique charm to the garden. Nico Blue has classic blue flowers, which are a favorite among gardeners for their striking color, while Endless Summer blooms on both old and new wood, giving it a longer flowering season. This makes it a versatile choice for continuous blooms throughout the growing season. Limelight is unique for its chartreuse green flowers. These blooms start off a pale green and can turn to a creamy white as they mature. Some popular varieties of lacecap hydrangeas include Blue Wave, Twist and Shout, and Lady in Red. These varieties offer a different aesthetic with their more open and airy flower heads. Blue Wave has large blue flower heads with white centers. This contrast creates a stunning visual effect in any garden setting. Twist and Shout has pink or blue flowers with twisted petals. This variety is known for its unique petal shape and vibrant colors. Lady in Red has deep red flowers with white centers. The striking red blooms make it a standout choice for adding bold color to the garden. Section 4. Growing your own hydrangeas. In this section, we will guide you through the essential steps to successfully grow and care for Hydrangea Macrophylla, one of the most popular and beautiful garden plants. Hydrangea Macrophylla prefers partial shade but can tolerate some sun. It's important to find a balance, as too much sun can cause the leaves to scorch, while too much shade can reduce flowering. It grows best in moist, well-drained soil. Ensure the soil is rich in organic matter to provide the necessary nutrients for healthy growth. When planting Hydrangea Macrophylla, choose a location that is protected from strong winds. Wind can damage the delicate flowers and leaves, so a sheltered spot is ideal. Dig a hole that is twice as wide as the root ball and just as deep. This allows the roots to spread out comfortably and establish themselves in the new location. Backfill the hole with soil and water deeply. This helps to settle the soil around the roots and provides the plant with the moisture it needs to start growing. Hydrangea Macrophylla benefits from regular fertilization. Use a balanced fertilizer to promote healthy growth and abundant blooms. Fertilize in the spring with a balanced fertilizer. This provides the necessary nutrients for the plant to thrive throughout the growing season. Water regularly, especially during dry periods. Consistent moisture is key to keeping your hydrangeas healthy and vibrant. Prune Hydrangea Macrophylla after it is finished flowering. This encourages new growth and helps maintain the plant's shape. Remove any dead, diseased, or damaged stems. This keeps the plant healthy and prevents the spread of disease. You can also prune to shape the plant or control its size. Regular pruning helps to keep your hydrangeas looking their best and encourages more blooms. Section 5. The story of Hydrangea Macrophylla. Hydrangea Macrophylla is native to Japan and China, where it thrives in the moist, shaded environments of forests and gardens. These regions provide the perfect conditions for the plant to flourish. It was introduced to Europe in the 18th century and quickly became a popular garden plant. European gardeners were captivated by its large, vibrant blooms and its ability to adapt to different climates. The name hydrangea comes from the Greek words hydra, water, and angion, vessel, referring to the plant's cup-shaped seed capsules. Macrophylla means large-leaved, highlighting the plant's distinctive foliage. Hydrangea Macrophylla has a rich cultural history, especially in Japan, where it is often featured in traditional gardens and cultural events. In Japan, it is associated with gratitude and heartfelt emotions. The plant is often used in tea ceremonies and festivals, symbolizing deep appreciation and sincere feelings. The pink variety symbolizes sincere emotions, often given as a gesture of love and admiration, while the blue is linked to apologies, representing a heartfelt request for forgiveness. Each color carries its own unique meaning, adding to the plant's charm and significance. Hydrangea Macrophylla is a beautiful and rewarding plant to grow. With its stunning flowers, long blooming season, and easy care requirements, it is no wonder that it is a favorite among gardeners worldwide. If you're looking for a plant to add color and interest to your garden, Hydrangea Macrophylla is an excellent choice.